What is a cocktail? Traditionally speaking, 1800s and beyond speaking, what is a cocktail? A cocktail is a spirit, water, sugar, and bitters. That's it. So if you look at some of the traditional drinks, like maybe a Manhattan or an old fashioned, you're gonna see a common theme. Rye and bourbons, whiskey, bitters, some sort of sweetener, typically just sugar, and water, often in the form of ice. That is why traditional cocktails have those core ingredients. In the late 1800s, they introduced this new thing. It was called a liqueur, such as this is chartreuse. A liqueur isn't just pure spirit. There's sugars, herbs, bitters, other types of components, secret monk recipes in some cases, and that changed the cocktail. So now it wasn't just the same old whiskey and bitters you've been having, but now you can have cool things like an Amaro, a honey liqueur, an apple liqueur, a pear liqueur. It changed the game. Cocktails evolved all the way from the 1800s to the 1900s until about 1960 when the cocktail fad kind of died out. One theory to why the 1960s were the end of the cocktail era had to do with the youth of America discovering new drugs. There was also a large increase in the selections and brands of wines and beers. One other thing that came out of the 1960s that started to change the cocktail's evolution: vodka.